Okay, we're looking at getting ready for 6th grade lesson 14, understanding inequalities. What does an equality mean? It's the same. So what would inequality mean? Not the same. Okay. So how can you use inequalities to solve the problem? Every morning, Bobby's hot bagels make a special claim. All bagels Bobby sells will be warm and less than 9 minutes old. What inequality can you write to represent in whole minutes how old Bobby's bagels are? An inequality is a number sentence that compares two equal quantities and uses the symbol less than, greater than, less than, equal to, or greater than and equal to. What clue words can you tell you that this problem involves an inequality? If we look right here, the special claim, all bagels will be warm and less, and less than 9 minutes old. So it's not saying something definite. So what word tells us? What words tell us? Less than. Meaning they could be 8 minutes old, they could be 1 minute old, they could be 30 seconds old, they could be 4 minutes old. We're not sure. Write the inequality in words. Time is less than 9. Replace time with the variable t. So what would our t be? T is less than 9. So replace the word less than with the less than symbol. So t is less than 9. So it's not equal to 9, it's less than 9, because it says it right here. It doesn't say 9 minutes old or less. It says less than 9. Try this. Graph the solution on the number line of 3, 6, 9, and 12. Which numbers are solutions for t is less than 9? In t is less than 9, replace t with 3. Repeat the process. T is equal to 6, 9, and 12. Identify the values that make t less than 9 true. True values are solutions. True values are solutions. T is equal to 3 and 6. False values are not solutions. 9 and 12 are not solutions. Why?
Because they're greater than 9.
Right. They're 9 or greater, right? And our story problem says less than 9. Graph the solutions on the number line. Graph true values that with filled circles. So they graphed a 3 and a 9. They gave us that set of numbers, 3, 6, 9, 12, and we had to tell them which one worked for this situation. And it says less than 9. So the only ones less than 9 are 3 and 6. Okay, so now we're ready for the share and show on the back. Of 2, 5, and 8, which numbers are solutions for the inequality x is greater than or equal to? When you have the greater than sign and then the line under it, this stands for what? Equal to. Okay, so they're going to be greater than or equal to 5. Graph the solution on the number line. Replace x with 2 true or false. So if I put 2 on here, is that greater than or less than 5? Less than. So is that or greater than or equal to 5? So 2 is greater than or equal to 5 Is that true or false?
False.
False, because 2 is what? Less than 5, not greater than 5. Now it says replace x with 5. So if I go to 5, so 5 is greater than or equal to 5. Fred, true or false? 5 is greater than or equal to 5?
True.
True. We're going to go across to 1C, replace x with 8. So we're going to write 8 is greater than or equal to 5. Cheyenne, true or false?
True.
True. 8 is greater than 5. Show two solutions for the inequality on a number line. A is less than 6. Natalie, what might you write? A is less than 6. What number might you choose? And we're supposed to show two solutions for the inequality. So two things that are not equal, but are less than 6. Tell me one. Huh? 1 is less than 6. Okay. Elena, what might be another one? Three is less than 6. Now you only need to do 2, it says. What else could we use?
2, 4.
We could use all these numbers that are less than 6, right? So we could say 2 is less than 6, 4 is less than 6, 5 is less than 6. Okay, so now the on your own. Anybody have any questions on this? And on 9 and 10, all you're going to do is put points on the number line. So n is less than or equal to 6. So you might choose 4 and then another point. So each of those number lines should have 2 things. All right. There you go.